Hey y'all! Today is Thursday, January 30th, 2020. I'm Lindsay Duff, and this is Responsible Day Trading. 2 more days is my mom's birthday, then a week and 2 days it's mine. Happy birthday to us. Man, never ends, but that's okay. Went to a networking meeting this morning. Have some interesting stuff that I've been learning and some really interesting people I've been meeting. So I really love going to those things and just being able to introduce the world of day trading to people and learn about what they do as well. My daughter's battery died on her car, so got a free one. What? Okay, I'll take free, right? Yes. It is 11:11 right now. All right. Okay. I have a little bit of time to see what's going on with the market. So let's check that puppy out. All right. Oh, this is giving us not only giving us a decent pushback. We pulled back a little bit here. We're still pulling down, and man, we still got we got a lot of strength going on here for sure, right? I would just be a little bit cautious stopping in this area again to expect it to keep pushing down into strong EMAs. But we still got strong MACDs down, so there is the chance. Guess we just have to go with the flow, see what it's telling us, and work it from there, right? With the little ceiling here. I might get stopped out of this one, but I'm going to watch. I think I just held off for way too long. Pulling this in one more. If it comes back to that. I don't want to be in it. Yeah. Okay. I just wasn't very patient. I could feel that building up in my bones. Okay. Let's wait for the proper one. Tiny little bar pulling away. Gonna snap back, but it doesn't have a lot of strength. We're going to see this go down further. Ooh. And you know what I did? I pulled it to that break even and I let it come in, or pulled it down one extra tick and let it come get me and see what happens now. What's happening now? It's about to drop like a rock, I think. Yeah. There it goes. And I was not part of that, and I can't even grab this. So that's a frustrating part, right? I moved my wrist just a little too quickly because out of fear, and then it just went right in my direction. So in that area, let it breathe for a moment. It's going to keep going though. Got that bottom Bollinger Band. That may be our stopper. I don't think so. Looks like it is. Check that out, guys. It's about to drop again. Oh, come on. There we go. So now I have to ask myself, Lindsay, do you give it one more? Or do you shut it down? I'm just going to give it one more. Like I want to be in this really bad to the downside right here. I'm going for it. Okay, we're going to break even here. This thing looks like it's really trying to push down, but I may be really trying to make this happen. Ooh, look at that popping up. I don't love that these are blue and still going up. This could really come right back up into here. Yeah, there we go. Wow. Yeah, I can feel myself trying to force a short trade. And I know it stems back to this one not working out and me not taking it here and then fighting with it right in here. So let's just go ahead. I'm gonna have to call it a day. I actually should have called it a day with a bigger loss, but the loss is not too bad. 3.75. It was down 7, but I did catch a little bit off of that fourth one that really shouldn't have not been, but you know, it is what it is. Let's go ahead and mark these up because, you know, we're just going to have them days. We're just going to have them days. Yes. To the tick! Oh, you know, and then I fought with everything because of that one trade. So this next one, to the tick, took me out, right? There goes the down move. That was tough. Well, y'all, that's all she wrote. Was a little bit of a struggle for me today, just really trying to make things happen. I've continued to watch it for a little bit and just time to shut it down. Just keep waiting on that short to drop isn't doing me any good. And you know, some days these things just happen. Tomorrow I'm taking my parents to the airport because they're going on a cruise. There's just quite a few things. I'm trying to set up a program where I can take a little bit of, you know, and I'm working on accepting a little bit of help so that I can take a little bit of the pressure off my shoulders from taking care of all this and then spending more time with trading as well. That is definitely in the works, guys. All right. Well, it is what it is, right? Can't win them all. So that was 4 trades, 3 loss, 1 win, minus 3.75 points. Them's the breaks, y'all. So we're going to call that a day. Hope everybody has a fabulous Thursday. I'm going to try and be back tomorrow. I have a lot in the plan. So that's going to wrap it up. If you have any questions, definitely let me know. Otherwise, you know, I look forward to catching you and myself on the profitable side.